Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you click this video because you want ways to decorate your small bedroom, this video is just for you. I will share with you some simple affordable ways that you can use to decorate your small bedroom just to make it feel cohesive. Stay to the end of this video. I have many great tips coming to the end. So let's get right into the first method, and this one is to declutter. Try to declutter your bedroom, get rid of the unwanted items, the unwanted clothes. Try to donate them to Salvation Armies and so on. Get storage bins. Try to use under bed if you have space under your bed to store items. Storage bins are great so that they can prevent clutters around the bedroom. This is one of the most important methods to make your bedroom feel and look cohesive, just to get rid of the clutter in the bedroom. Now the next tip that you need to do is to add texture, and texture can be in the form of your cushions, your throw blanket, your curtain. This is a great way to decorate your bedroom and to just give a little coziness into the bed space. So get a little nice fur blanket. You can get a nice pattern cushion. Whatever cushion matches your decor, get one of those. You can use curtains as well to add texture, and you can use curtain for the blackout version of it, or also if you want little light to come into the bedroom, you can use a sheer curtain. So these are great ways to add textures. Also, if you can add a little color, you can use curtains and your cushions and blanket to add a little color if you're not a person that love color. I myself love colors. I'm not a minimalist any at all. I don't think I could be a minimalist, but I try my best to not have too many colors as well. Another great way into decorating your small bedroom is your lighting. Lighting is important into any space that you're decorating. The overhead light alone don't work. You need to try and add to warm light into your bedroom. This will make the bedroom feel more cozy. And if you don't want to use warm light, you can get one of those lighting that comes with the remote that you can change the colors as well, so that it gets you into your mood. So you can choose lighting based on your mood. So lighting is another important method when you're decorating your small bedroom. Another method that you need to utilize when decorating your small bedroom is to add something live, or just to add a little greenery. Now you can use plants that survive indoors, such as a snake plant, your spider plant, your aloe plant. This is a great way to decorate your bedroom and to add a little color as well. So greenery is another method that you can use to add a little color. Now greenery plant is very great as well, as it purifies the air and it makes your bedroom feel cozy when you have a plant. So if you don't have space for one of those big corner tree, you can use one of those smaller potted plants. You can use something that is faux as well if you don't want a real plant into your bedroom. So that's another great way to decorate your bedroom. Another great way to decorate your bedroom is to ensure your walls are not blank. Ensure the wall over your bed is not blank. There are many ways that you can decorate over your bed on a budget. I know wall arts are very expensive. As you can see above my bed here, I have a wall art that I use wallpaper. So these are some picture frames that I purchased without glass, and I put wallpaper on them just to get a little effect of the wall art. So there are many affordable ways that you can create wall art. You can DIY a wall art as well, just so that you don't leave your wall empty. If you can afford an headboard is a great way to make your small bedroom feel cohesive and come together as well. And if you can't afford an headboard, I have two videos. I will link them in the description that I DIY 2 headboard using cardboard. So these are inexpensive ways to get an headboard into your room as well. So click the link in the description if you want to see those 2 DIYs. Another way to decorate your small bedroom is to add mirror. Mirror is a great way to make your space feel bigger, as what it does, it bounces the light and it makes your space feel wider as it reflects the light as well. A mirror as well is a nice decorative piece that you can use to decorate your bedroom. If you cannot afford a mirror or a wall decor mirror or any standing mirror, try to DIY something. Go to your nearest local glass store, do something like this one. I have a wall decor fan mirror here that I utilize in my space. All it needed was spray paint, the fan cover and the mirror, and some glue, and I created this wall art. So there are many ways that you can create a mirror into your space. You can even get like a board and one of those peel and stick mirrors, glue it onto that stick it onto the board, and just spray the edges or decorate the edges and hang it. These are great ways to decorate your bedroom. Another way to decorate your bedroom is just by making your bed tidy at all times. Try to use nice fluffy bedding, and if you can use white, use white. I cannot use white into my room, but white is a form of purity. It makes your room brighter, or any lighter color on that part. So try to use lighter color into your bedroom as much as possible. Try not to use dark color furnitures. I don't obey this any at all, because they say darker colors make your space feel smaller, but what I do instead, I use lighter colors to decorate. So if you use darker furniture, try to use lighter colors when you're decorating, so that the room is not all that dark and feel crowded. Try to use as light as possible in colors, and if you have lighter furniture, that would be excellent. Try to decorate your space with a theme. Go on to Pinterest, create a mood board, and just to get the colors of your choice so that it just doesn't feel crowded and full a lot of colors. These are just a few tips on ways that you can decorate your small bedroom. Please comment below if I miss out any. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you haven't seen my video on ways to decorate above your bed if you have no headboard, please click this link right here. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.